everybody. This is Guru Joffrey and this is my friend Kim Jinsu, right? A Korean friend. So today we're going to learn the basic Sinawali. Okay, so but before we learn, I want you to please like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Fight Info. Alright, so this is basic Sinawali from Philippine Arnis, Kali Eskrima. So first, okay, basic strike, up and down strike. Okay, go 1, okay, up, down. Alright, then other side, up, down, strike. Okay, now make it a little bit faster. Okay, see, jump 1. Alright, go like this. Now make it more faster. Now twist your body. Alright. Okay. Okay, stop. So from that movement, we will put some step. So forward step 1. Okay, and down strike, back. Then left step, forward step, strike up, and then strike down. Alright, now make it more a little bit faster. Okay, let's see. Jump. Okay. More. Okay. Now, after you perfect this movement, let's do the forward and backward step of basic Sinawali. Okay? You're going to do forward and I will be doing the backward step. Alright? Yeah. Ready? Let's go. Down. Okay. Now forward. Backward. Okay. Now make it more a little bit faster. Okay, nice. Okay. That is the basic Sinawali from Kali Extreme, Arnis Eskrima, Philippine Martial Arts. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Fight Info. Tanda? Pugay. Mabuhay.